It's time for new merch, and this week I've got something that looks like a lot of fun, but actually looks like something that I probably could have done in a mini merch. Again, we're going back to little items that I want to show off in a bigger video. Is it going to be a bigger video though? The last one I said was going to be a bigger video. It was actually less than 5 minutes still. But yeah, the cups, or the card in the corner for that. So go check that out. Yeah, but I have got a Wonder Woman inflatable bop ball. Yes, this is a sort of big balloon that you inflate, and it should look like that in the end, and you can punch it. Yes, you're supposed to punch Wonder Woman. So what you do, you blow the balloon up, tie a knot in it, and then punch her. Just punch Wonder Woman. Just get all your aggression and punch it. Yeah, so I bought this on eBay. I had to get it all the way from America because apparently they don't sell them in this country. So yeah, the packaging is a little bit dusty and dirty and a little bit wrecked. But I'll forgive that because it did come all the way from America. So let's get her out. And oh God, don't you just hate that when that happens? You strip it off the pack, but you still. Where's my knife? Don't pop the balloon. Just slightly open the packaging. All right. I've never had one of these. I might have had one when I was a teenager, but it wasn't Wonder Woman. I mean, like a bop balloon. I've had balloons before. Wasn't that deprived. So, ooh, it's got this weird sheen to it. She looks a bit like a mermaid. Look like she's got a tail. It's very odd looking. So that's where you hook it around your finger and bop her. And I guess this is where you blow. Let me look at the instructions again. Yeah, blow air into the bop ball. Does this come off yet? That does come off. I thought it was like attached to it. Tie a knot using the tube. Okay, and then place your finger through the loop, and now you're ready to play. Alright, so let's inflate this bad girl. Alright. I'm not sure how much air you're supposed to put in it exactly, but she does kind of look warped already. So I think, I'll give it. See, it doesn't. See on the back, it stays intact all the way to the final product. I've actually seen people online who have these, under Wonder Woman Collector Group I'm on, that say they had this same problem. It's not painted very well. I'll just give it a little bit more air. I don't want it to burst in my face. And let's tie it up now. I've never been able to tie balloons correctly. It didn't burst, it just deflated. Alright, let's try it again. I've never been able to tie the knot in balloons. Even when I was a child, my mother, or my father, always had to do it for me. So, alright, let's reinflate. Please don't explode in my face. Okay, let's try this again. Let's try and get it tied. I can't do this. I can't tie it off. It can't be done. Oh, I really want to do this. It's too tight. I literally can't do it, guys. I can't. Give me a jump cut. I'm gonna see if I can figure something out. Okay, so what I've gone and done is I've taken one of my hair ties and just wrapped it tightly around the edge of the balloon there. And you might, if you can see, the paint on the Wonder Woman, it's coming off the balloon. It's just literally painted on. And not painted on very well, but that is very disappointing actually. I had such high hopes for this. Alright, so let's put the finger in and bop her. It feels very fragile actually. I may have overfilled it. See, look at the size of that. Look even how the legs become proper legs on the packaging. Look at that. And now look at this. This is kind of crap. See that doesn't inflate. If I put any more air in that, it'll explode. Okay, let's give her a smack. I don't want to smack the camera. It is actually kind of fun. Probably be easier if I was standing up, but if this was 3D, you'd love this. It's actually quite fun to smack. Now I think about it. Now I'm playing with it. It's just a shame it's so badly made. That looks really cheap. It looks like a child's drawing of Wonder Woman. But smacking it, I could do that all day. It's actually quite a lot of fun to smack. I hope you can hear me over the balloon. It's actually quite a lot of fun. I could just do it all day. Bop balloon. Yeah, it's hard to tie, so I had to do that. It looks pretty terrible, the finished product. But you know what? It's actually a lot of fun. If it was made a little better, I'd probably have more fun with it. But, you know, I don't think if it was made better, I'd have more fun with it. If it was made better, it just would look better to play with it. But it's actually not. It's actually kind of fun. It's actually quite a lot of fun to play with. So, yeah, I'm gonna continue playing with that in my own time. Alright, I guess that's all I'm gonna say for this week. Wonder Woman Bop Ball. If you can get your hands on one of these, I do recommend it actually, because it is a lot of fun. I don't think it even necessarily has to be Wonder Woman. But if you can get your hands on a Bop Ball, they are actually kind of fun. It's like a massive yo-yo. Yeah, get yourself a Bop Ball, because you will have a lot of fun. Alright, I'll see you again soon. Bye!